morning.
I will look for some breakfast because Doriand still doesn't eat breakfast. That is such a lovely beach here. And usually it's not allowed to free camp, or there is like an official campsite, but now the season is over and now you can just camp here. No problem at all. No one cares. So there are 2 restaurants in the city and I want to check. Let me see. I should be able to get up here, yeah. Look at that. What a lovely beach. So today we will definitely reach Istanbul. We are not far away from Istanbul anymore. So yesterday I basically finished all the TED track. I think there's just a little bit left. Can I park here somewhere? Or just park here? Maybe.
It was actually funny because I asked for a breakfast for one person and she didn't stop bringing me more and more food. So I ended up with an endless amount of food on the table.
Oh my god.
Welcome back!
Allez, allez, allez!
Allez, allez, allez! Welcome back!
Oh, that cow is aggressive, eh? Ah, lovely. It was a nice place for the breakfast. The first place I went to, he didn't serve breakfast, and so I asked him, do you know where I can find breakfast? And instead of like telling me, because he knew this will never work, he was like, well, okay, I will show you. And then we walked through the whole town and he asked at several places for me to find breakfast. He made it his own challenge to find me a breakfast. It was so nice, eh? So people here are so super friendly. And the breakfast was gorgeous. I don't even know if the place was open. He came in, he asked her for breakfast and she was like, yeah, sure, sit down. And then she started preparing everything. It was so nice. Oh no.
I help her for cross.
So cute, eh? There's so many potholes here. Oh no. Ooh, this is crazy. These rods are evil and it's going down a lot. Hello. Hi.
Enjoy it.
Nice trip, bye.
Bye-bye. So here there is like Aqueduct.
Whee!
Let me check if we can go more.
The aqueduct, dating back to the ancient Roman period, carried water to Istanbul, then known as Constantinople, for centuries. Located about 30 kilometers from the city center, it remains one of the most impressive aqueducts of the old capital. Stretching across a deep valley, the aqueduct stands approximately 34 meters high and 123 meters long. Research shows that the structure was repaired in the early 7th century.
Lots of traffic, eh? I think this is asphalt, yeah, for sure. You see the lorry going that fast. Guys, you know where we are? In Istanbul! This is so crazy! Oh my goodness! We're looking for a place to sleep somewhere in the center of the city, so still a long way to go until we reach the center, and then we will check out the places. The helmet is completely useless, eh? Oh, people. Like, why? you would really think this is a one-way road, eh?
We spent 5 days in Istanbul, and almost immediately it became clear that this city carries its history in every street, every sound, and every shift of daily life. Istanbul is not just a metropolis, it's a living monument. With roughly 15.7 million residents, it's one of the most populous cities in the world. Spanning 2 continents, Europe and Asia, the city's geography alone tells a story of cultural crossroads and constant movement. Its spiritual landscape is just as remarkable. Istanbul is home to more than 3,000 mosques, from small neighborhood prayer houses to grand imperial complexes like the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. Their domes and minarets shape the skyline and echo centuries of faith and craftsmanship. Once known as Byzantium and later Constantinople, the city was the heart of great empires. Today, Istanbul is a vibrant megacity, a place where ancient echoes blend seamlessly with the rhythm of modern life.
So I wanted to show you the room we have here in Istanbul. It was basically right around the corner where we stopped. It was a bit of a struggle to find a room where we have 2 separate beds, a safe parking for the motorcycle, and yeah, let's say air conditioning because it's quite hot. But yeah, this is like it's a mess. Don't judge. But it's like 2 beds, all the luggage from 2 motorbikes. It's very good that we can share the room for 2 people because a single room costs 70 euros per night and a double room costs 75 euros per night. So yeah, the region is very expensive, obviously. We are right in the middle of Istanbul and we have a nice view here out the window, as you can see. Very busy. Over there is a mosque here and the motorbikes right here. And another thing that is even better is the terrace. Wait a second. So That is the old Hagia Sophia. The big one is in the middle of the city where I was yesterday. Yeah, it's really lovely. You see how busy that is? Like all the ships. That is crazy. Yeah, that's a lovely place here. And right in the city. You can walk everywhere, so this is really nice. I think to explore Istanbul, the only way is to get a hotel in the city, because riding here with the motorbike makes no sense at all. It's just too busy, too much traffic. But yeah, you can reach everything. I did my laundry yesterday, and there is no self-service laundry, but you can just walk there, you give them a bag of clothes, they weigh the bag, and then they do your laundry and you can pick it up a few hours later. So that was quite nice. We have breakfast places, lots of restaurants around, so yeah. I think tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you for the next video.